Ever wondered who the mastermind behind the very first website was? The first website was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. The first website was very simple and plain compared to the websites we see today. It consisted of basic text with no images, videos, or interactive elements. The site was primarily designed to share information about the World Wide Web itself, explaining what it was, how it worked, and how others could create their own web pages. After the first website was launched in 1991, it underwent several modifications and improvements as web technologies evolved. Here's how it changed over time. Addition of more content. As the World Wide Web grew, more pages were added to the original website to provide additional resources and documentation. This included more detailed instructions on how to use the web, descriptions of new features, and updates on web development. Incorporation of HTML advancements. As HTML, the language used to create web pages, evolved, new features like headings, lists, and basic formatting options became available. These were gradually incorporated into the site to improve readability and structure. Use of images and media. Once the ability to embed images and other media became possible with updates to HTML, these elements were added to the website. This allowed for more visually engaging content, though the early images were still quite basic by today's standards. Improved navigation. As the number of web pages grew, the website's structure and navigation were enhanced. More organized menus and links were introduced to help users find information more easily. Styling with CSS. With the introduction of CSS, cascading style sheets, the website gained the ability to include more sophisticated styling. This allowed for changes in font styles, colors, and layout designs, giving the website a more polished look. Interactive elements. Over time, as JavaScript and other web technologies became more widespread, interactive elements like forms, buttons, and dynamic content were introduced to websites. This made the user experience more engaging and responsive. Modernization. Eventually, the first website was preserved as a historical artifact, and its content was migrated to newer servers and formats. Today, it is still accessible online, preserved in its original form to show how the web began, but also as a part of more modern websites and interfaces.